Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside new line of tools, Parkside Me. 3 years warranty, cordless detail sander model PMDSA 4A1, accessories included inside, new line of tools, excited to see how they work. Well, let's open to see what we have inside, and of course we are going to test it together to see the performance. Nice case, practical, hard case, Parkside Me, easy to open, and inside we're gonna find out the manual, the charger, 1.5 meters of cable with the Type-C connection, thumbs up, 9 volt, 2.4 amps, 21.6 watt. You can check at the right in the corner and the other video that I made with the cordless screwdriver. It has the same charger. That means all this line of tools, they can use the same charger. Okay. 3 sanding seats. Grid, we've got 320, 180 and 80. Nice. And there's the tool. And we've got an adapter for external dust extraction. Nice. Nothing else in the case. You can use this case and for other purpose. You can take this out. Nice. Let's leave that here. And there is the tool. Oh, nice. Like it. Feels very well to my hand. Like the black and purple. It's like a stitches here, as I said in my other video. Type-C connection to charge the internal battery. It is 4 volt 3 ampere hours. You can charge it full at 60 minutes. The on-off switch. And as you can see, when we are pushing this button, we can see the 3 LED indicators for the capacity of the battery. Red, yellow and green. Nice tool, ideal for small to medium sized sanding jobs. Practical, suitable for corners and edges as well as a small or different to access areas. And with the easy sanding seat exchange thanks to the hook and loop fastening, very easy. Definitely it will make your everyday use of this tool more easy and work with that. Nice. So, take this out and replace it with the other. Very easy. No load oscillation speed is 14,000 RPM and makes this tool very fast for sanding. By the way, you can find other sanding seats at the market and of course at the little stores and buy. Let's install the adapter. It is very easy. Just take it out. It is 2 pieces. You can see there's the 2 gaps in here, and here you can fit there, and the same from the other side, 2 gaps. Here you can see the same. Connect first the one side. Nice. And then the other. And it will fit perfectly. It has about 3 millimeters of gap between the sanding base and the plastic adapter. You can connect your vacuum and you're good to go and work with that. Nice, I like it. Well, it's time to test it to see how it can perform this tool. And there we are at this old wood, quite rough. Let's sand it, grit 80. And of course, if you want, you can connect your vacuum, or you can take the plastics out. Let's take the plastics to have a better view at the sanding. I think we are okay now. We can change to 180 grid. Nice, and now let's go to 320. Well, let's see. Ooh, quite smooth. I like it. Nice, great job. And the corners. Well guys, that was all about this detailed sander from the new line of tools from Parkside. As you can see, it's doing a great job. It can sand very well at the wood. This is a small sander for more detailed jobs, but definitely it can do the job. If you want to buy it, if you consider to buy such kind of tool, it costs about 30 euros. And I think it's a very good opportunity to buy it and do some DIY projects at your home and wherever you want. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it, like my video is your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.